we got this installed in a customer's machine, and we just wanted to do a quick video overview of what we enjoy about the COM. Also demonstrate a few of the features like the box. As you can see, the music was muting. It's muting right now in the background. It's not playing. If I stop talking, you'll hear the music kick back on. So, and you may not pick that up on the video, because the video I'm actually going through a mixer to do this video, so it may play all the time. I'm not sure if the mixer's going to mute the music like we were actually hearing. It might actually go through the audio out, and so I'll have to see how after this video is done. Alright, some of the things that I enjoy about the COM is I'm able to talk to my wife, my kid, who's ever in the passenger seat with me, because we actually have two-seaters. We have a Razor 1000s. We like to ride up in the mountains a lot of Idaho and Utah and some of the surrounding areas. The things that I enjoy is I'll be able to point out some scenery, also talk to them about how things are going in school. Whoops, my camera just fell down. That's embarrassing. And so I can talk to them about the school or how things are going, and get a conversation with my kids. One of the things that we kind of fail to do in these times is we don't really communicate anymore. We're always either typing or texting on our phones or doing our own little thing. But the Razors and the machines get us out there. Well, these machines are so loud that sometimes you're riding in silence. You're having fun, but the dynamic of being able to talk about the ride and talk about life is incredible with the machines. You're not yelling over it as well. So that's one of the things I like about the COM. Reed, what do you like about the COM?
That we can talk without yelling at each other's ears.
That's a good one, huh? Madison?
I love it that we can, once again, talk without yelling in each other's ears. And I love it that because we can communicate with each other, especially with the PTT button, because you can connect with like other Razors. And I love it because we can grow as a family, and we like to play Would You Rather. So that's fun.
Shelby, you have anything to add to that?
No, well, actually, yeah. So I do like the communication, be able to just talk as you're going, but also for the safety, because I feel at times like if you get too far ahead of me and you took a turn, or if I got somewhere that I didn't really know, I could stop and just radio you and say, I'm here, do I need to go back this way? So I like it kind of for the safety, knowing that even if I can't see you, I can still talk to you and that you're close by.
Nice, yeah. Communication on the trail is amazing as well. If you look at some of our features like the monitor mode, like you're riding in a group and you wanted to chat on a separate channel, but you still want to get the instructions from the group ride, you can set up the monitor mode. We have a video on that as well. Some of the other features that we've got, like the Vox feature is incredible. If I stop talking, you'll hear the engine noise mute, and when you have that muting sound, that deadening sound, you're able to hear your music better, but you're also able to hear the transmissions better. And I'll stop talking for just a second so you can hear that deadening sound. So that deadening sound is pretty incredible to, again, when that transmission's coming in, you're not trying to fight over some other ambient noise where the music, especially when the engine's revving. Right now we're just sitting at an idle, but trying to overcome the wind and the noise of the machine as well is very nice with this new S4S. We've upgraded mics, we've upgraded the headsets, the speakers are top notch as well. You guys have anything else you want to add? I'll take it by the Oz that's a no, so.
Can't imagine life without the COM.
One more thing. One time we saw a bear, and we were like, I don't tell the story as good as my parents do, but we saw this bear and we didn't have the COM with us, and so we couldn't communicate with each other, and I think I was up with my dad, and we were ahead of my mom and my brother, so we couldn't see the bear as long, but ever since we've had the COM, we're able to like spot out wildlife and things like that, so that's great.
Cool, yep. I wanted to show up, I'm holding the camera so I can't use my hands to actually pull this off, but the comfort package, you want to show them the comfort package. So you get these little socks, and Reed, you want to pull yours off, or Madison, you want to show them without the comfort package? There we go.
Wait. Oh yeah, read this.
So you can see that you want to spread that part. I can't. I'm only holding one hand there. There you go. So the comfort package, you get a little sock on there that actually wicks away the sweat. That's the comfort package you get with our system now to offer as well. So if you want that. Other than that, I guess we can sign off now.
Can I sign off?
Go ahead, sign off.
Okay. This is the Hanson family with the com. Wait. Oh crap, I did. This is the Hanson family signing off with the com.
See you guys. Talk to you next time.